Have you ever felt like something invisible is holding you back from reaching your goals? That hidden force might just be a limiting belief. The good news? You have the power to change it. Today, we'll explore top techniques to shift those beliefs and build an unshakable mindset. Limiting beliefs are stories we tell ourselves, stories that stop us from living fully. Maybe it's, "I'm not good enough," or "success isn't for me." These beliefs often come from past experiences, society, or even fear of failure. But here's the thing, they're not facts. They're just thoughts. Let's break them down and replace them with empowering beliefs. Step 1. Awareness is key. The first step to shifting any belief is recognizing it. Pay attention to recurring thoughts, especially in challenging situations. For example, if you're hesitating to apply for a job, ask yourself, what belief is holding me back? Do I think I'm not qualified? Once you've identified the belief, write it down. Seeing it on paper can help you realize how it's influencing your actions. Step 2. Question the belief. Now that you've spotted it, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this belief true? What evidence do I have to support or refute it? Could this belief be based on fear rather than reality? For instance, if you think, "I'll fail if I try something new," ask, "Have I succeeded at something new before?" This shifts your focus to moments of success. Step 3. Replace it with empowering thoughts. Create a positive affirmation to counteract the limiting belief. If your belief is, "I'm not smart enough," replace it with, "I'm capable of learning anything I put my mind to." Repeat this affirmation daily, especially during moments of doubt. Step 4. Visualization and emotional rehearsal. Visualize yourself living without that limiting belief. Picture the confidence, joy, and success you'd feel. For example, if you've replaced "I'm not confident" with "I am bold and capable," imagine yourself confidently walking into a room, speaking with ease, and achieving your goals. This practice rewires your brain to associate the new belief with positive emotions. Step 5. Take action to reinforce the new belief. Beliefs are strengthened by actions. If you believe, "I'm capable of achieving my dreams," take a step toward one of your goals today. It could be as simple as sending an email, learning a new skill, or joining a supportive community. The more you act in alignment with your empowering beliefs, the more real they become. Step 6. Gratitude and reflection. End each day by reflecting on progress. What thoughts did you challenge? What new actions did you take? Gratitude can also amplify your growth. Thank yourself for the courage to change and embrace your journey. Shifting limiting beliefs takes time and practice, but every small step leads to big changes. Visit our website to download a free worksheet designed to guide you through this process. Start identifying, challenging, and replacing your limiting beliefs today, and watch your mindset transform. If this resonates with you, share in the comments. What limiting belief are you ready to let go of? Don't forget to subscribe for more tools to strengthen your mindset and manifest your dreams. Remember, you're not defined by your past or your doubts. You're defined by the actions you take today. Take the first step now and realign your manifestation efforts.